káàsán, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá wà. Orúkọ tèmi ni HRH Prince K. A. Ajijon. Mo ọ̀rẹ́ kan ló sẹ́ndì fídíò clips kan sí mi tí mo dẹ̀ lérò wípé kò yẹ kí n dáwò. Ó yẹ kí n fi hàn ẹ̀yin títì mi ọmọ Oòduà lórí ètò ọmọ Oòduà ọmọ Yorùbá ronú. Mo ní kí n fi hàn yín kájọ fi ojú wò, ká fojú sùnù kájọ wò. Àṣírí tí àwọn pípù yìí tí wọ́n ń bò pamọ́, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ó ti tú. Àwọn Buhari òun àti àwọn ẹ̀mẹ́wàá ẹ̀, the evil genius. I mean, the secrets, the concealing secrets that they are keeping away from us, God Almighty has already divulged, unveiled the secrets to the public to know. Mo ti ń wo àwọn video clips kan lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí tó ń go viral, tí wọ́n táwọn èèyàn ń gbé placard pé we should be one Nigeria and all this stuff. Where these people are coming from, originally they are not from Nigeria. When you see them, you know that they are not from Nigeria. Then the language they're speaking, some even confirmed it that they are paying them. But where they are paying them, we do not know. Right? Nǹkan tó jọ wá lójú nìyẹn. But this morning, I think I received a video, right, from a friend of mine, right? And I know these people, Buhari, Olórí Burúkú president, àwọn northern people, right? Pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹ̀mẹ̀wá ẹ̀, they've got an evil plans for the country. We all knew that. We quite all knew that. Obviously, we knew that, right? But plans tí wọ́n ní fún wa yẹn, they haven't got enough time. The time they planned for has not yet been ripe. So they needed more time. That was the reason why they're doing everything they want to do to make sure that they still hold that power in their hand in knots. So they are doing every possible things to obtain that power, right? So that they can execute their evil plans for that country called Nigeria, right? That was the reason why they were doing this they were doing. And we have to sleep and think very well about these people, right? I'm going to show you the video clip now. I don't have much of your time to take. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ ká jókòó, ká fìdí lélẹ̀, ká wo fídíò náà, ká dẹ̀ gbọ́ lágbọ́yé, ká wo ohun tó wà ńbẹ̀, ká wo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe. I won't take much of your time at all, but I just want to share this with you guys. Àwọn people yìí èṣù paraku ni wọ́n. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á dẹ̀ gbèjà wa jà because wọ́n ti mọ̀ wípé ìgbà wo la bẹ̀rẹ̀, kò tí ì pẹ́ kò jìnnà tá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fight fún Nigerian secession now. So self-determination yìí, they don't want it. They don't want us to succeed in it, right? The sovereignty, they don't want it to come up at all, right? And wọ́n fẹ́ wọ́n kọ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run, lágbára ṣẹ̀dá, the creator of heaven and earth, right? The autonomosity is going to occur no matter how. Kò sí bọ́n ṣe lè ṣe Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á gbé wa lékè wọn. Gbogbo ọgbọ́n tó bá mọ̀ tó bá lè gbọ́n ni kò sí, wọn ò lè gbọ́n tó Olúwa Ọlọ́run Ẹlẹ́dàá. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré show yín ní fídíò náà kákànjọ wo ni ká lè bá mọ ibi tá à ń lọ.
If it doesn't catch up on all the one Nigeria folks, this is where they are giving them clothes. They give them clothes, they hire them for $50 and they give them clothes. As you can see, you nothing catch up on Cherry, one catch up on one Nigeria folks. If you are not in catch up on most of these people go on shit. Nigeria is a terrorist, so Nigeria is a terrorist country.
If you want something like this to happen to you, you can claim Nigeria. This is exactly what they are doing in Nigeria. They are killing people.
They're killing people. The government of Nigeria is terrorists.
Yes, they are paying their money.
If you want this thing to happen to you, you can go and get that shit.
Go get your money.
Go and get that money. If you want something that happen here to happen to your family, go and get that money.
Nigeria government is a wicked government. Nigeria government is tyranny. Nigeria government is Nigeria government is tyranny. What they do, they kidnap kids, they kidnap children, they kill women. Okay?
Yeah, they kill people.
Nigeria is a terrorist nation. Nigeria is a terrorist nation. This is what we are doing.
If you want this to happen to you, your family, collect your money.
Buhari is terrorist.
This is what they are doing.
They kill children. So what they do is they come here and they pay you to protest against us. That's what they do. They pay you to protest against us. Bloody money. They pay you to protest against us. They sponsor the terrorists. They sponsor Boko Haram. They sponsor Israel. Remember a few years ago, these people kidnapped all these children in the school in Nigeria. These are the people sponsoring them. These are the people sponsoring terrorists. So when they come to you and they pay you, it's because they want you to protest against us. We are coming out and we are saying the truth. We are exposing them.
This is what they are doing to the Omo. You are collecting money. You are not in Nigeria. You are collecting money.
And they are using Bank of America. Bank of America to do their evil. Right here, they are using Bank of America to do their evil. If you don't think this is where they share the money, they share the clothes, and they give people stuff.
Nigeria is a terrorist nation. Nigeria is a terrorist nation.
Nigeria is a terrorist nation.
This is what is happening in Nigeria, killing, sodomy, killing, kidnapping. When you wear those clothes, you die like this. Wear those clothes so that you can die like this. Wear those clothes so you can die like this.
Ikú ìbànújẹ́ nu àkú gbogbo wọn pátá tí wọ́n fẹ́rẹ́ fún wa ní kọ́ńtì yẹn wọn ò ní ṣe oríire látòrí Buhari délẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn pátápátá tó ń support bí ká máa lọ. It's a pity àwọn Yorùbá olórí burúkú kan tí wọ́n tètè understand that way they got the short views.
And Nigeria to save lives.
You are wearing your cup. Nigeria is a terrorist country, Nigeria.
Nigeria is a terrorist country.
We all knew that.
And Nigeria to save lives.
And Nigeria to save lives.
You can't even go on vacation to Nigeria. If you go on vacation to Nigeria, they're gonna kidnap you. They're gonna kidnap you. They're gonna kidnap your kids. They're gonna kidnap your wife. They're gonna rape your wife. And this government refuses to do anything about it. They refuse to hold their people accountable for this stuff. We come here, we protest against this evil nation, and they hire you guys and they pay you guys. Nigeria is a slave. Is a puppet. Nigeria is a puppet, and
your wife in front of you, they will fuck your bulldogs in front of you. This is how they set children and kill children to make money. Terrorist country. They let your bloody money. They let your bloody money and you die like this. This is Nigeria.
And Nigeria to save lives. They are giving them money. They are giving them money and put uniform in their face. Right. This is exactly what is happening.
Yes, so this is where they give them money, right here. That's where they give them money. That's where they give them money.
Nigeria to save lives. And Nigeria to save lives.
And Nigeria to save lives. And Nigeria to save lives.
And Nigeria to save lives.
And Nigeria to to save lives. And Nigeria to save lives.
God bless you. Damilola powerful. God bless you.
Nigeria to save lives. And 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 Nigeria to save lives. Buhari is there. Buhari is there. Nigeria is there. Nigeria is there. Nigeria is a fraud. 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 National constitution is a fraud. National constitution is a fraud. Buhari is a fraud. Buhari is a fraud. Nigeria is a fraud. What do we want? One nation. This is where they go in and they pay them and they give them the shirts and everything. So we're not here. We are just here to educate them that they need to know what they're doing. We are just here to let you know that you need to know what you're doing, because every time you come here, you carry these placards, you are supporting evil. Every time you come here and you carry these placards, it's blood money. Because these people, they are evil. This government is evil. This is the government that they use to suppress us in Africa. They are ripping. We have mineral resources, we have oil, we have gold, we have everything. These people take it and they put it in their pockets. I don't have to be here in America. I don't have to be here. You don't have to be here. We can build Africa. We can build ourselves. But these people right here, they will never let it happen, because they want to put all the money in their pockets. They want to steal all the money, and on top of that, they want to kill everybody and take over the land. These people, they are terrorists. They are the ones sponsoring Boko Haram. Go Google it. They are the ones sponsoring Islam. Go Google it. They are the ones sponsoring kidnappings. Go Google it. This government is evil. This is the evil government.
Where need the clothes? You're going to die like this. Where the clothes? Take the money.
Yes. The white man taught this one. The white man taught this one to do it for us. So we. But you know what? We're trying to stop it. We're not gonna complain. We're trying to stop it. But these people, but guess what? They send us over here. We don't want to be here. They send us over here. They're the ones selling us into slavery. They're the ones selling you into slavery. They're selling us into slavery. When you collect that money, you are selling yourself into slavery. We are trying to change that. We are trying to change that. We're not going to complain. We're not going to complain. We're not going to keep saying that, but we're going to change it. We want to change it. But you collecting the money and then they don't want to change it.
They're not changing nothing right here. All these are for sale. Yeah, these are for sale. These are dead people.
When you see them,
this is what is happening.
they are for sale. They are for sale.
They are dummy. They don't come out here.
Do you want this thing to happen to your family? If you want this kind of thing to happen to your family, continue to hold it. Continue to hold it. Continue to hold it. We are Nigeria. Continue to wear it. I mean, you are not giving Nigeria. God will punish all of you.
You understand what I mean?
We're not going to get out of here because we have the right to be here. We have the right to be here, just like you have the right to be here. You are selling your people into slavery.
That's America.
Yes, America does it. We know that. We know the history. We know the history. But guess what? But we are not going to continue doing it. We are not going to continue doing it. We are putting heat on our people to stop it. Brother, think. Think. You're not thinking. Think. So that's why we're trying to, because they're still doing it. And they're still doing it. Think. When are you going to, you keep complaining but you don't want to change it. You keep complaining. You keep complaining but you don't want to change it. You don't want to change it. They pay you $50. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed.
He's hungry, man.
The man is hungry.
You should be ashamed. Be ashamed of yourself.
No, man.
Be ashamed of yourself. Be ashamed of yourselves. Be ashamed of yourselves.
ohun tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀nyí òun náà láti rí yẹn àwọn tí wọ́n ń fún lówó tí wọ́n ń fún ní aṣọ ní Amẹ́ríkà láti lọ máa campaign against self-determination wà ní Naija ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn kò kí ń ṣe fault wọn wọ́n mọ̀ pé ebi ń pa wọ́n àwọn touts tí wọn ò rí bí sùn sí tí wọn ò róúnjẹ jẹ àwọn ni wọ́n háyà tí wọ́n ń lò àwọn ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Naija títí wọn ní pé kán jẹ kán tí àti yó wọn fẹ́ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ wà àwọn pípì wọ́n mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe wọ́n mọ tí wọ́n ń ṣe wọ́n bìlì pé táwọn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ wọn ò lè lo funfun wọ́n ń lo dúdú wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé táwọn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ tí àwọn ìjọba Amẹ́ríkà ìjọba UK tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ìwò wọ́n á nígbàgbọ́ pé gbogbo effort tá à ń ṣe ní Naija wípé irọ́ ni wípé ṣe báwọn kan ló tún protest níbi tí wọ́n ń sọ pé we shouldn't go apart that we should continue the togetherness in Nigeria so wọ́n mọ tó ń ṣe wọ́n ní pé táwọn ò bá tètè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọ́n ń gbé yìí ó likely káwọn fìdí rẹ̀ mi wọ́n pé what is the best way for them to go against what we are doing because wọ́n rí pé we are going far more than their expectation náà fi ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ yìí àwa ni ká wá dánura wa rò ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú to see what we can do about this present situation that is going on now. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ fi counter effort wa ni Ọlọ́run ní fún wọn ṣe Ọlọ́run á gbèjà wa jà á ràn wá lọ́wọ́ in every ramification Ọlọ́run á fi gbógo wa yọ lórí wọn tá a máa fi dáadáa ṣẹ́gun Ọlọ́run á bá wa jàjà náà ṣùgbọ́n káwa náà máa fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ká má máa wòye ká má fi gbogbo ìjà sílẹ̀ fún Ọlọ́run jà ọmọ Israẹli nìyẹn in everything wọn ń fọwọ́ lẹ́rán o wọn kì í wòye lásán o they go against their enemy ẹni tó bá dìde sí wọn á dìde sí ni lótìtọ́ Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú wọn but àwọn náà ń fi ọwọ́ lẹ́rán wọn ò dúró lásán wọn dúró o gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá wa Akíntóyè bàbá Bánjí ṣe sọ wọn l'Amẹ́ríkà wọn ò ní fò wá láti bẹ̀ o I think he defined it in the best way pé tí kò bá tí sí problem jẹ́ pé it's a terrific problem America ò ní wá until tí problem bá tó rí pé yes this is what they can come into tá bá dákẹ́ tá à ń wò tá àwa náà gbèjà àwọn pípì kan rí pé yes ó ti dàbàrú pátá America ò ní wá tó tọ́ o so ẹ má yẹ káà náà ká fọwọ́ lẹ́rán ká máa wò ó ní òye o plan àwọn evil yìí Babangida olórí burúkú Buhari olórí burúkú Gumi olùṣèyàn El-Rufai kò ní kú síbi táṣọ ẹ wá gbogbo wọn pátápátá wọn ò ní sórí rẹ mi ò lè fàdúrà ràn wọn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀mí tó bọ́ lọ́wọ́ tó ti bọ́ lé àárín ní sẹ́ẹ̀tì wọn ó ti pọ̀ jù ẹ̀mí ẹlòmíì tó ti fi bí pa kidnap ẹlòmíì jẹ́ pé kò róúnjẹ jẹ tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n á tẹ̀tún lọ owó wọn á jẹ gbèsè náà máa san tó bá mú dé ìmí wọn á sanwó tó wọn pa èmi ò lè fàdúrà lọ ẹni tó bá wò kó ní nínú ẹni tó bá sọ pé èmi ń ṣe pé wàhálà tẹ̀ nìyẹn because àwọn tó ti bà ayé wọn jẹ́ náà kò sí ìrònú àmọ́ ẹni tí ìrònú ti pa èèyàn burúkú Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á gbèjà wa jà ọjọ́ tí wọn ò lérò lọ́lọ́run á mú wọn kó lé ayé yìí so ó gba gbogbo wa ní ìyànjú pé ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú ká sùn ká torí wa rò to see what we can do to go against these people. King of Glory will help us. We assist us to conquer, to overcome all these evil incarnates that they are planning bad for us in that country. Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á jẹ́ ká lọ nílò, a máa lọ nílò wa ní lágbára Èdùmàrè, a dẹ̀ máa succeed gbogbo eré tàǹsáyà ní sá lásán. Sunday Igboho lágbára Èdùmàrè, Chief Sunday Igboho, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á mú jáde níbi tó bá wà. Òun náà ní jẹ̀yà yẹn lásán. Ní ọlá Ọlọ́run tó mú bẹ̀rẹ̀, á mú parí ẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. Ojú àti gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀ pátápátá tó ń gbógun, tó ń ṣe àwọn tó ń ṣe bí ọ̀rẹ́, tó ẹ̀ pọ̀ ta ni wọn, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè á fìyà jẹ gbogbo wọn lágbára Èdùmàrè. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe bí ọ̀rẹ́ tó ẹ̀ pọ̀ ta ni wọn, Ọlọ́run á fìyà jẹ gbogbo wọn. Á dẹ̀ mú jáde ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà níbi tó wà yẹn lórúkọ Jésù. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa o. Orúkọ tèmi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí HRH Prince K.A. Ajíjọ. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú wa. Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wá. Á gbàdúrà gbogbo wa, a ò ní ṣe lásán. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká ronú. Ojú tẹ́ ti fi ń wò mí kò ní fọ́. Etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi kò ní di. Ní àṣẹ Elédùmarè tó mú ọjọ́ mọ́, tó mú òrùrù, tó ń dó tì wá ní gbogbo ìgbà láti ìgbà tá a ti wà nínú oyún dídí bá ṣe wà, ò ní padà lẹ́yìn wa ní orúkọ Jésù. Lọ́lá ànábì. God bless you. God be with you. It shall be well with each and every one of you that listen to me. Ọlọ́run á dó tì yín, á ràn yín lọ́wọ́, á dó tì yín o. Thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday. This remaining time tí Sunday kó fi parẹ́ lẹ́ni tó bá máa fi dé alẹ́, gbogbo a máa fògo, a máa fi yìn fún ni. Ọ̀sẹ̀ ayọ̀ lọ́sẹ̀ máa jẹ́ fún gbogbo wa. Nígbẹ̀yìn ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí, a fọpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run, a fi yìn fún lórúkọ Jésù Kristi Olúwa wa. Àmín.